from the west, but you move around like Bay, all like a day. Oh, you was right around the money, yeah. I want you here now, I'm missing on my baby. You already.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Yeada. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad, especially while you already here. My background is a little bit different because the sun is popping right now. In my normal spot, it literally was just blinding me. So I had to move to like this little area. So hopefully y'all don't mind the different setup in the background. But anyways, the reason why we're all here, so today's video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos because I've had content that I filmed like maybe 2 weeks ago, because I told y'all before that I was going to be doing a few little updates in the house, and y'all, we took care of a few things. A few items was checked off the list. One being that chandelier that I got during Black Friday. Y'all, I finally put it up in my closet and it looks so good. Two, we upgraded and got some little lights to go above my pictures that y'all normally see in my living room, which I'll show y'all that. Everything is from Amazon that I'm gonna show you guys, except for the chandelier. The chandelier, I did get that from Menards. I did place an Amazon order too, so we got a few different Amazon pieces that I want to show you guys in this video, outside of the clips that you see me show a little bit later in the video. But yes, y'all, so hopefully y'all don't mind the pre-filmed situation and me coming on here like this, because one, I didn't do an intro to that video when I started because I was just filming as I was doing stuff, and two, I didn't do an outro. So I'm like, I have to put out this content. There's no point of just sitting on the content and not using it at all. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys a few items that I did grab from Amazon, because as you all know, during Christmas time I was gifted with a lot of Amazon gift cards. So we did do a few purchases, a few good purchases at that. And yeah, so let me just show y'all, and then I'll hop into the previous footage of me putting these items where they needed to go. So first up on the list, or first thing that I got, was this mouse pad, because if you have a iMac computer, you know that the mouse up underneath gets all that like dust and stuff stuck up underneath it. So I got a mouse pad after like 2 years. Okay, so this is the lights that I got off of Amazon. These are the remote control. They're calling them the bedside lamp, but on the picture when I ordered them, it also showed like how people have them in their hallways or going up the stairs, but I didn't want it for that. I wanted it to go over my picture frames that I have in the living room. So this is what they look like, because I currently had them down charging. They are rechargeable. You can see here, this piece is like a magnetic piece that hooks onto the actual base of the light. You also can change the mode as far as like what lighting you want. You can switch them out. So it's three different lights, and it comes with a remote to where you can turn them on and off. I'll demonstrate everything in the video footage that I did film. And it comes with a rechargeable USB, so you can charge up the lights. So far, since I've had them, I've had to charge them twice. And the bad thing about it is, because y'all know I'm short, I have to get the stool every single time to get them down and to put them back up. And then you guys, we finally upgraded our spice drawer. Y'all, when y'all see my spice drawer, I currently have them like organized, but this just put the icing on the cake when it comes to how they look, and they don't slide around in my drawer. But yes, so I got this spice organizer. This is in the acrylic, and yeah, they look really good. I already have like my spices in the jars, and pre-labeled, so I didn't have to do any of that. It was a matter of just taking everything out, cleaning out the drawer, putting these in, and then putting the spices back in. But I tell you, like, this little thing makes like a big difference when it comes to organizing the spice drawers. So I got this off of Amazon as well. And then y'all, we finally upgraded our knives. Okay, I've been needing to upgrade my knives, and I got these from Amazon. This is by the brand Hasif. I think that's how you say it, Hasif. Anyways, y'all know I had to go with the black, and they look so pretty in person. They're so sharp. I've already started using them. But it comes with 6 knives. It comes with a 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch bread knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 7-inch sentoku knife, 5-inch utility knife, and then a 3.5-inch pair knife. So all of these items are going to be linked down in my Amazon storefront for you guys if y'all want to go and purchase them. But yes, this was everything that I picked up or that I ordered off of Amazon. So with that being said, since we got the organizing, let me go ahead and share with you guys the footage of me reorganizing my spice drawer. After that, you guys will see the footage of me putting up the really cute lights above my pictures. And then of course we gotta close out the video with me putting up the light in my closet. Okay, y'all, I'm just so happy that my closet is now 100% done. It only took one item to put the icing on the cake, and that was that chandelier. It looks so good in there, y'all, and I cannot wait for y'all to see it. So with that being said, let's roll the footage from the previous week, and I'll come back and close out today's video. Which is my lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure like where exactly I want them to be. That way they're even. So I'm just gonna measure the picture, and whatever the middle of the picture is, that's where we're gonna do it. So Okay, y'all, so the lights are up. And I feel like this side is a little bit higher. But I just noticed that this picture is a little bit higher than this picture. So it's okay. It's okay. But they look good up there. Let me show y'all with the light or with the remote how I can just, hold on. Sorry, I'm moving y'all all over the place. It looks good, y'all. So now I can just, y'all see that? They're on. Ooh. On. Off. On. Off. Yes. And then I think I can change like so the features on the remote changes where you could do either like a white light, yellow light, medium. You could play around with the, oh, they even got a timer. Okay, so we got a little timer down here. I like it. That's so sweet. They look good. They look good. Okay, y'all, so the lights look really, really good. I noticed that they gave some wall anchors and screws just in case I wanted to screw it into the wall. But I don't think, they're not heavy to where they would fall. But if they do happen to fall, we will secure the bad boys. And they also gave another like sticky piece. They could have gave two. They could have gave two. But then you also got your USB. But yes, I love them. So at night, yes. Let me turn them off for now. But at night, I can have the little light on. Love that for us. Quick update. Me and Pops, we got the chandelier up. We got the light working. So now I just have to put the little crystals on. And we're gonna be in action. I can't do nothing. You can't tell me I can't do nothing. Because for all y'all men out there, we don't need y'all for everything. Because we just put this chandelier light up. Let me show y'all, because the closet is now 100% complete. I'm so happy. Let me show y'all. Come. Look at this, y'all. Look at it. Let me turn the light off. Look, it is so gorgeous. It's so pretty. So pretty. The closet, oh my gosh. We snapped. You snapped, Yeada. You snapped. They don't call me Yeada the Builder for nothing. Yeada the Builder, okay? Like, look, listen. Me and my dad already had redid the garage opener. I said, we need to go into business together, add that to our resume. And now this, add electrician to the resume because I did that, okay? And that ceiling fan that they wanted to leave in the kitchen, yeah, that's getting up out of here too. Because it's no longer wanted. It's no longer wanted. And now that I know how to do it, it's coming up out. Like the closet looks so, I'm obsessed. It looks so good, y'all. So good. I'm happy with how everything turned out today. Like, first, the lights. Well, first the drawer organizer with the seasonings, getting that all organized and looking A1. And then we added the lights above the pictures downstairs. And now this, the grand finale of the vlog. Boom. So nice. So nice. I know you're probably like, relax. Yeada, relax. But I'm so geeked right now. And now that I've done it, my mom bought the same one during Black Friday. So she like, now that y'all know how to do it, because my dad did help with the little twisting of the wires and stuff. She's like, now that y'all know how to do it, come on and do mine. So I was like, well, let me eat first. And then I'll come over there and help you with yours. So, yes, y'all. All right, you guys. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different than my other ones, but hopefully you enjoyed me just bringing my space all together, whether it was organizing, whether it was putting up a few little things that make a space look good. Like, I'm so excited with how the living room looks with the lights, how the closet, y'all, I'm so glad to be done with that closet. And you would have thought I broke the bank to get my closet to look like that, and I must say I didn't. When I tell y'all, I just took my time with finding pieces. Y'all know the viral Target bookcases are always gonna come through, and a good quality bookcases at that. And I haven't had any issues with them. And the fact that I found that light, the light just tied it all together. The chandelier, like, it makes that space look 10 times better, and I'm so happy with that purchase. And believe it or not, that was only like $50. $50 at Menards, okay? Check out your home stores. We always quick to run to Amazon for everything. Like, good quality stuff be in store still, but to each his own. Everybody do what they want to do. But I'm glad that I came across that light at my local Menards store for the low. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap things up here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram, glamour_chick, TikTok, Yeada_B, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.